2 Memphis 8s, Mojo
Okay.
8s, 1K Fosgate on the 8s, and 600 on the highs.
Wow. Nice ride. Wow.
2 Memphis 8s, Mojo
Okay.
8s, 1K Fosgate on the 8s, and 600 on the highs.
Wow.
And you wouldn't think the 8s would be that.
Oh, I was thinking 210s or 212s.
Yeah.
It's pretty good utilizing your space too. Did you
Yeah.
do this?
No, a guy in Orlando, Auto Sound Factory.
Okay. Nice. Do you have any kind of extra battery?
No.
Stock electrical. Okay.
Yeah, it's just the stock battery.
Yeah. Okay.
No room.
Yeah. Wow. I'm gonna look under your hood. I never get to see something like this, so I appreciate you showing me, man. This is nice. Wow. Oh yeah. Thank you for showing me, man.
No problem.
I do a lot of YouTube videos, so
Okay.
yep. I'll get to put yours on there soon.
All right.
Awesome. You have a good day. What was your name?
Jeff.
Jeff. Jacob. Thank
Nice to meet
you.
you.
Thank you, Jeff.
Thanks. You're welcome. It's my second show, so.
Okay. Is there a way you can play one more song for me? So I can kind of get the subflex from the back?
Oh, okay.
Never been in a Corvette before like this.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah.
This every night just not a
Wow.
2 Memphis 8s, Mojo 8s, 1K Fosgate on the 8s, and 600 on the Haas.
Wow.
And you wouldn't think the 8s would be that.
Wow, I was thinking 210s or 212s.
Yeah.
It's pretty good utilizing your space too. Did you do this?
No, a guy in Orlando, Auto Sound Factory.
Okay. Nice. Do you have any kind of extra battery?
No.
Stock electrical. Okay.
Yeah, it's just the stock battery.
Thank you. Thanks for showing me, Jeff.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel.
Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.